At Rydell GM Quick Lube, we offer comprehensive oil change services to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Our full-service oil change includes draining old oil and replacing it with new, replacing the oil filter, topping off fluids, lubricating the suspension, and a complimentary 17-point inspection. And with our Rydell Virtual Wait, you can join our virtual queue from anywhere. No appointment necessary. Simply sign up online and we'll notify you when it's your turn. Once you arrive, park in our designated virtual wait parking. When it's your turn, we'll guide you to the appropriate service bay for prompt and efficient service. Need us? We're easy to find. To reach the Rydell GM Quick Lube from South Washington Street, head west on 28th Avenue South. Turn right into the GM Service and Quick Lube parking lot, park in one of our reserved Rydell Virtual Wait spots, and send us a text to let us know you have arrived. We'll notify you which garage door to pull up to. Once the door opens, you can drive in and you will be greeted by one of our friendly staff members. Thank you for choosing Rydell for your next oil change. We're here to provide prompt, dependable, quality service to keep your new vehicle in top condition.
Real life, real relationships, real Rydell.